Basically 7 a.m., 61 degrees Fahrenheit out, sun's just coming up, the smell of fresh cut hay. Is there really a better time of day to be riding?
Hey, how you doing? Pat here. Forgot to record my intro, but today we're going to head down the Triple Nickel and we are going to stop at the Triple Nickel Diner, a place I've seen for years, never made the time to stop. So let's go see what this is all about. It's pretty popular with the bike community.
Here we're going to cross the Muskingum River. This is the way I normally don't go, it's just doing something different today. Which I'll probably miss a turn somewhere, I'm good at that. Alright, this is where it can get confusing coming the way I go. You've got the right-hand turn to keep you on 93 and 22, but you really want to go straight because our goal is to go up here and get on 555. Okay, you know you've done it right when you see the FedEx building here and you see the junction of 555 and 719. Normally I would come across that bridge because that's State Route 60 over there and just make the left-hand turn at this light, and now you're on 555. And if you haven't ever experienced 555 in Ohio, it can be a great road, but it can also be a dangerous road. I will, at the end of this video, leave a card for my 555 video that I did a couple of years ago. I think you'll enjoy that. It will take you all the way down to the Ohio River, and it's part of Ohio's Windy 9, which is another series I'm still working on. Make sure you slow down and take in the smell. Oh, I love the smell of fresh cut hay. Just thought I'd point out we're in Portersville right now, where State Routes 37 and 555 come together for a short time. With the sign here, we're going to make a right back onto 555 towards Chesterhill. Well, I didn't expect to find this on this road. It could be where the side is falling off again. I've seen that off and on over the years on this road. Saw one tiny section back a few miles behind me. We are coming into Chesterhill. Yeah, I can't even say the word. Chesterhill right now, where 555 and 377 come together. And, wow, this road hasn't gotten any better over the years. But that's not what I was getting ready to say. I think I'm a little too early for lunch. It's only like 20 to 11. Guess I thought it was going to take me longer than that to get into town here. Bunch of bikes out today. It's Saturday, June something. 4th, I think. The first Saturday in June of 2023, and there you can see the sign across the street, Triple Nickel Diner next left, which technically it's not really on this road. But being 10:41 a.m., I don't know that they're open. So they're actually here on High Street. Well, there's people there. Does that mean it's open? Oh, sign says open. Alright, cool. And then for you cruiser guys out there, not the greatest parking lot, but you can see it's nothing horrific. I mean, this, wouldn't bother me too much on my Victory when I had it. Alright, let's go inside. I may not film. I don't like to film inside when there's other people around. I just think it's rude unless I have permission. Alright, I'll get back with you here in a little bit. Alright, as you just saw, as I get ready to leave, the place is well, let me get back on track. As you just saw, I managed to snap a couple of pictures, keeping the people out before they got crowded, but I got here about, what did I say it was, 20 to 11, and it was empty, but here it is, 11:30, and the place is really filling up. We got a huge group of bikers. I was just talking to them, and that bike right there is from Canada, so I talked to him a little bit about my upcoming trip, and he basically told me once I get On the east side of Calgary, it's flat and boring, but that's how I plan on coming home. So anyway, let's continue up 377 back towards McConnellsville, shall we? Just left Chesterhill back there, or is it Chesterhill? I always forget that. Either way, had lunch. Lunch was decent. I mean, I just got a burger, fries, and a shake. It was $17. The burger, though, was a bison burger. At least that's what it said on the menu. Couldn't tell it wasn't beef, to be honest. The only thing I noticed is, I don't know if it was a bison, because I never have done that before, but certain spots just tasted a hair freezer burnt, or maybe it was kind of freezer burnt. I don't know. We are on State Route 78, heading east away from McConnellsville right now. We'll be at the Big Musky bucket here shortly, and there's the Jesse Owens State Park up here, where there's a lot of free camping, in case you're interested about that. This has always been gravel. It's paved. Well, that'll make it a lot easier on all the motorcycles that like to come here. Well, that's kind of cool. And there we go, the biggest drag line. Used to mine, what was it, coal, I think, around here? Yeah, they paved the whole thing. Wow. And they concreted everything up here. But where did the handicap stuff go? I don't know. And there you have it. We're coming back into Zanesville. Not far from the Rotary Love Zanesville. If you've gotten anything out of this route, which I hope you have, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button down below. I greatly appreciate it. This is going to bring us right back out to State Route 60. And then I'm just going to stay on 146 like I came in town here. No sense boring you with the rest of the backtrack. The GPX file will be on the first comment down below. I'll leave a pin in case you want to download the GPX file and do this for yourself. But I think doing it in reverse of the way I did it, in my opinion, is the better scenery and the better route. Anyway, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.